To remove the timing cover on the KSD engine, the oil pan must be removed first. Use a gasket separator tool to remove the oil pan. Do not use a gasket separator tool around the protrusion at the front of the oil pan. This is where the oil pickup tube is mounted, and using a gasket separator here can damage it. Once the gasket is separated, the oil pan can be removed by hand. Remove the screw securing the oil pickup tube to the block. Remove the screw securing the oil pickup tube to the timing cover. Remove the pickup tube from the timing cover. Remove or disconnect the components necessary to access the timing cover. Remove the water pump. Disconnect the wiring harness from the timing cover and set it aside. Before removing this flange, mark its original mounting location. Remove the timing cover screws. Make sure the crankshaft alignment pin is pointing up before attempting to remove the timing cover. Use the pry points to separate the timing cover gasket. The alternator needs to be removed to access the pry point on this side of the timing cover. The timing cover must remain aligned with the block during removal.